H-1B season is right around the corner. Whether you're a skilled worker or an employer looking to hire foreign talent, here's what you need to know before you file your application. I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration attorney at Brazen Legal. I work with immigration clients all over the world. Visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about working with me. First things first, what is the H-1B visa? The H-1B visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows U.S. companies to temporarily hire foreign workers in specialty occupations. These jobs usually require a minimum of a U.S. bachelor's degree. The H-1B visa has an annual limit or a cap of 65,000 new visas each fiscal year. An additional 20,000 visas is available for petitions filed by foreign workers who have at least a master's degree, or from petitions from institutions of higher education. These are exempt from this cap. The H-1B visa allows you to work for this company for periods of 3 years with the possibility of renewing it once for a maximum of 6 years in this role with this visa. Next, let's talk about the eligibility requirements. So both the employer and the employee have to meet specific criteria. For the employers, they have to demonstrate that there is a lack of qualified U.S. applicants for the role that they're hiring for. And for the employee, they have to show that they have the required qualifications for the job that's being offered. Next, let's discuss the H-1B lottery and the application process. So due to the high demand for the H-1B visa, there's an annual cap, which I previously mentioned. When the number of petitions received exceeds this cap, USCIS conducts a lottery to select the petitions that will move forward for processing. Beginning in 2020, USCIS implemented an electronic registration process for the H-1B visa cap. The registration process requires that the H-1B petitioner or the employer that they register each prospective beneficiary on USCIS.gov and pay the $10 registration fee. The initial registration period is a minimum of 14 calendar days each fiscal year. And once the registration period closes, the H-1B process is run through the lottery for the properly submitted applications. The applications that are selected in the lottery are going to receive their notification in their USCIS portal. And once they get that notification that they've been selected in the lottery, they can continue on with the H-1B visa process. So let's talk about the application process. So first, the employer files what's called a labor condition application, or an LCA, with the Department of Labor. And the LCA is a document that outlines the job description, the salary that the employer has to pay, the working conditions, and the employer has to agree to everything that's in the LCA. Once the LCA has been approved, the employer can go ahead and file the H-1B application with USCIS. And it's very important during this phase that your application is accurate and complete to avoid any delays, rejections, or denials of your application. USCIS is going to carefully review this H-1B application. They're going to verify that the job offer is legit. They're going to verify that the employee actually has the credentials and meets the requirements to do the job, and all other types of pertinent details and information that they need to make their decision. If everything goes well, then your H-1B visa will be approved. Once the H-1B visa is approved, the employee is going to have to apply for admission into the U.S. as an H-1B visa holder. And any spouses of an H-1B visa holder, as well as their unmarried children under the age of 21, They may also enter the United States. They would be entering with an H-4 visa, and their spouses might be able to apply for a work permit if they qualify. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any other immigration videos with very helpful information. And if you want help with your own H-1B visa application this year, I'd love to help you. I'll drop my contact information in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.